Assalamualaikum. So we are from group 9. So in this video, we will present about our poster. The topic is potential cause of death in the HVAC system and prevention measures. So firstly, let me introduce our group members. First, Ahmad Tirmizi bin Mahza, Cik Wan Muhammad Naim bin Cik Wan Haimai, Farid Zul Arif bin Masran, and me, Muhammad Nazri bin Mazlan. So, firstly, I will explain the causes of death in the HVAC system. So, the first cause is carbon monoxide poisoning. When operating a vehicle with defective emission system or poorly tuned engine, it can lead to the carbon monoxide poisoning. So, CO can enter the car cabin through the small hole and any leakage from the exhaust system. So, the headache, dizziness, and nausea are the symptoms of CO poisoning. So, number 2 is vehicular heat stroke. Being in a hot environment can lead to a rise in core body temperature. A core body temperature of 40 degrees Celsius or higher obtained with a rectal thermometer is the main sign of heat stroke. So, a lack of air conditioning will increase the risk for heat stroke to occur. And the last cause is overheating aircon system. So, the overheating aircon from failed aircon compressor will increase engine load and make the cooling system inefficient. So, the overheat aircon can produce bad smell, and this can put your health at risk because smoke can cause an allergic reaction to some people. So it is dangerous for our health. So next, we continue to the engineering control measure.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Tirmizi. Okay, for engineering control measure, there are 3 steps to avoid potential cause of death in the HVAC system. Okay, here is the engineering control measure. First, regularly inspect and repair the vehicle's exhaust system. Second, install a 12 volt or battery powered carbon monoxide detector in vehicle to detect if there is carbon monoxide that is leaking in the HVAC system. Okay, lastly, regularly inspect your emission system and make sure the vehicle's engine is tuned.
Okay, my name is Syawam Naim. So, for the cost estimation, for inspect and repair the vehicle exhaust system, it costs about RM50 ringgit. And for the install a 12 volt battery powered carbon monoxide detector in vehicle, it costs from 450 until 900 ringgit. And for the consideration for inspect emission system, it costs 400 until 1000 ringgit. So this cost will depend on the exact cost. So it is okay for us to spend more money as it for our safety and our life.
Okay, so my name is Farid Zul Arif bin Masran. So for the ending of this video, there is some question. Okay, so the first question is generally sleeping in the car can contribute to the danger. So in your opinion, is sleeping in the car while engine is turning on for a short time, which is around 1 to 2 hours, also can be dangerous? Second question is, based on your recent knowledge, what is the other causes of death in the HVAC system? And the last one is, what will you do if you wanted to rest in the car but avoiding to get sleep? Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you.